The Legend of Square Rice Cake and Round Rice Cake.
I will offer my father a special present made of sweet-smelling and delicious rice, which was grown by my own hands.
Then he tried his best to take care of his rice fields. The vast rice fields were soon covered with a blaze of yellow.
Farming seems to be very productive this year, and these rice sheaves are really, really heavy. Thank God.
The sweet smell of ripening rice was subtle in the wind. The rice ripened profusely and vigorously, and the busy harvest began. Thanks to the advantageous weather, there was such a bumper crop that everyone was excited. From the first gleam of daylight, peasants in the village called one another noisily to harvest rice early. Only for a while, the animated sound of footsteps, joyful voice and laughter, and clicking sickles resounded from every road. Everyone rushed to the rice fields. Prince Liu's family got up the earliest, so when his neighbors started to cut rice, Liu had carried rice back home. He wanted to take advantage of fine sunlight to dry rice so it would be firm, sweet-smelling, and delicious.
What do you think? Will these thick, plump rice grains be able to help you find the most delicious and rarest produce?
I don't know yet. Hopefully, I will come out with something soon.
In the evening, the prince, together with his wife and children, threshed rice under the moonlight. As looking at the pure and immense sky, thinking of vast rice fields which supported millions of people, a good idea suddenly flashed upon his mind.
I will use this kind of sweet-smelling, white, sticky rice to make cakes and offer my father to worship the heaven and the earth.
That night, he tossed and turned to think about how to make the cake until he fell asleep. He dreamt of a goddess who descended on the earth from the heaven to help him. She said,
"The heaven and the earth are the most immense, and rice is the most highly valuable. That's enough for you to make only 2 kinds of cake.
I have to help my husband find it."
The first is as square as the shape of the fertile earth's surface. The earth on which there are plants and rice fields, mountains and forests must be green.
Daddy, what are you doing with this rice sheaf?
Have you thought of something, dear?
Yes, dear. After last night, I've come up with the idea of making our offer from these sticky, plump rice grains, and now I'm gonna try it.